Okay.
So which button is it? So,
Press manual and putting. Checking here. 33.
so what is the perfect study?
We'll make it now.
So this is the
To make any perfect coffee, you're gonna need first what? Perfect espresso. Then to make a piccolo, I'm gonna only need single shot. So I'm gonna put two sides. This one also you have to do it using the scale. So now I'm just I'm gonna do double shot, one shot here, one shot here. Okay? Then now can you pass me a picture? Small one. This small anyway. So afterwards we're gonna take our milk and steam like that. We need a little bit of salt, then we go out and let it be hot. See it's spinning. Now we can make our potato and piccolo. Inside here. Don't forget to roll. Yes, in this. Don't forget to mix
something
here and here. Then you make your latte art in this cup. This is cortado. Same thing we're going to do with single shot. Mix the espresso. Mix your milk. Mix it and then make your latte art.
How much?
With the same milk. Which is no. When you are making, of course, you're gonna do when you are making for customer, of course too. But this is piccolo and cortado.
Okay.
This is the milk
This one, the
form.
milk.
This one is okay. This one is because I use the same milk. All the foam went here, not here. This one, milk foam is okay. Okay.
This one is piccolo. This one is
Cortado, the strong one.
too stronger because of the espresso.
Yes.